Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Ideas. In this video, you will learn how to grow Adenium plant. As we all know that Adenium produce beautiful flower. Also, if they get pollinated through bees or we can self-pollinate, we will get beautiful seed pod. Here you can see grafted Adenium with beautiful seed pod. Seed pod take nearly 1 month to get mature and to produce maximum number of seeds. Let us wait for it. If you want a complete seed pod, then you have to tie it up with thread or any wire because seeds are attached to cotton type substance which allow them to fly. After cutting your Adenium plant seed pod, wait for 5 to 10 days and then you can grow your Adenium seeds. We have securely collected all the seeds. Now let us grow few of them so that we can have many plants. To grow Adenium seedling, we are using a bonsai tray with a good drainage hole. Let us cover the drainage hole with a stone. For well-drained soil, we are using clay ball. This does not allow water to stay and our Adenium seedling will grow very strong and healthy. And now we are using coco peat plus rice husk. If you don't have rice husk, only coco peat will do. Yes, we are growing our Adenium seedling in only coco peat mixture. This will make your Adenium seedling to grow very fast, and once they have grown enough, you can transplant them very easy. Here you can see our soil mix is ready. Now take your seed pot and take out only seeds which you want to grow, else they will fly with a fast moving air. Now spread your Adenium seeds and maintain the gap of 1 or 2 inches so that they can grow fast and healthy. Keeping seeds too close will not allow them to grow a healthy root system and also may get damaged. Now you have to cover your Adenium seedling with nearly ½ inches layer of soil. This will allow your Adenium not to fly away and also the moisture will hold for longer period of time. This will make your Adenium seedling grow faster and you will see small sprouts in 10 days. Now it's time to give water to your seedling. Make sure not to overwater but maintain moisture in this soil mix. This will make your Adenium seedling to grow much faster. Do this all process in shady environment. In 9 to 10 days you can see your Adenium seedling growing. Here you can see the green color of your Adenium babies. They are looking so beautiful. Once our Adenium seedling has grown nearly ½ inches, they have enough water to survive, so stop giving water daily and maintain the water level. At this stage you can keep your Adenium seedling in 1 hour of morning sunlight. This will make your Adenium seedling grow long and strong. Adenium seedling after 25 days has grown much bigger. Here you can see multiple leaves and the height of Adenium seedling has also got increased and the color of stem is also changing. After 60 days your Adenium will look like this. Adenium will get nearly 3 to 4 inches long in height and also you will get multiple leaf system. This is the simple process and here you can see our Adenium seedling are ready to transplant. Now what is the process? Here we have some of our Arabicum variety. We will transplant this. Arabicum generally grow a much bigger caudex, so the seedling will look much bigger of same age. We have 4 different variety of Arabicum Adenium and all the seedling are looking so different. Here we can see the size comparison once again. Our normal Adenium seedling are looking so tiny and so thin in comparison of this our Arabicum variety. To transplant Adenium seedling, we must make a soil mix which is good in water drainage and free from fungus attack. We are using 50% of vermicompost. Here you can see a good quality vermicompost is very good and 50% of normal construction sand. Mix it well so that every part of soil get enough amount of nutrients. Use of fungicide is very important, so try to give 1 to 2 tablespoons of fungicide in your soil mix depending on your pot size. Now mix it well so that your soil does not get a fungus attack and you can grow your Adenium seedling easily. Pot selection is very important. Try to give 5 to 6 inches size pot and with lots of drainage hole. Cover your drainage hole with newspaper and your pot is ready to grow. Fill your pot with soil mix which you have made. Keep your adenium roots covered with soil, so check it at right position and then you can grow it in your soil mix. Remember to keep your adenium seedling in the center so that it can get enough space to spread its roots and its trunk. Give a stroke so that soil doesn't come out and your plant is ready to go. After few months, your adenium seedling will grow much bigger in size and you have to repot it again. Here you can see a perfect example. Our adenium seedling has grown its trunk and it is looking so beautiful. It's time to repot our adenium seedling. To repot your adenium seedling, just take a small bowl and tilt your adenium seedling pot and just give a stroke to your pot. It will loosen up the soil and your adenium plant will come out easily. Before removing it from its pot, we have to stop giving water nearly before 10 days in adenium plant. And now after giving the stroke, we tilt our adenium seedling pot and your pot will come out easily. Try to do the whole process with soft handed. Don't break your adenium branch or the root system. This will make your adenium plant to go under a fungus attack. So be careful in the whole process. And now with soft hand remove the soil which is coming out, or you can just simply wash your adenium soil. This will make adenium to go free from its root system. Here you can see the beautiful root system and not a single root is broken. Our plant is looking so healthy. Selecting a pot is very important, so we are selecting nearly 1 to 2 inches big size pot. This will make our adenium to grow its trunk much bigger. With lots of drainage hole, your pot is perfect to grow your adenium. The same process using the clay ball at the bottom. This will make your soil mix to not to hold water for longer period of time. If you don't have clay soil, then you can add bajri or the big part of sand. Now the same soil mix which we have made earlier for our arabicum seedling. Now the process has changed of growing adenium seedling. Fill your pot with soil mix, make a small hole and put your arabicum or adenium seedling in pot with a slightly height from the previous soil line. It's time to give water to plants. Now give water thoroughly and you will also come to know the drainage system of our pot with this method. So give water until you see water coming out from the base, and here you can see water is coming out very easy and fast. Means our adenium seedling will survive and it will not die. After few days you can keep your adenium seedling in full sunlight and your adenium seedling will grow healthy enough. And this is the result of our transplantation of our adenium seedling. Plant got enough leaf system. Now it will grow its trunk and it will grow much bigger in size. So this was the whole process of growing adenium from seeds and until its trunk get thicker enough. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Subscribe to our channel.